did, so... Oh. I'm not a cat. Oh no. Do not pull me into the piggy pool. Okay, let's get pink hair. I'm a Doge. Dash dog. Because Doge really are dogs. It's probably everyone knows that by now. Did you know there's this game called Running Doge Heads, and on the game you have to collect all the cats and bring it to the pop cat, and then you get to see, and then there's a secret ending where when you get all of the cats, you go on a beach.
Yeah, it's getting a bit long, I think we should end it.
Okay, let's get Libby.
Yeah, let's all get in the shop. Okay, everyone go on the island, everyone die. Everyone say bye, yeah? Lib died.
I jumped off the bridge. Okay, I'll see you, Max. Where's Libby?
Let's all face the camera.
Max, you are not facing the camera. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, feel free to add us. I know I'm not like all the other YouTubers. We just like adding people and adding people all over the country.
Yeah,
Bye.